I am so mad at Scratch Cat for being a snitch. All I want is to have fun, but Scratch Cat always ruins it for me. That's not fair. What should I do for my revenge? I know. I will give Scratch Cat a punishment day. Ha 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 ha. Scratch Cat, get down here right now.
Meow meow meow.
Scratch Cat, how dare you always get me in trouble? That's it. I am giving you a punishment day.
Meow.
First punishment, changing your voice to sound like a 60-year-old Chinese Mandarin man. Second punishment, throwing a rock at you.
Ow, chow, 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 ow, 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 ow. That hurt so much.
I don't care. Third punishment, smashing your orange MacBook Pro.
No. My laptop is broken. My laptop is broken.
I don't care. Fourth punishment, sending you to the BND of Doom logo. Scratch logic activate.
Oh no. I got sent to the BND of Doom logo. I do not want to see that scary logo. That logo was so scary.
I don't give a frick. Fifth punishment, beating you up.
Oh my gosh. Gobo and Pico, did you hear that? Yes, we did, and it did not sound good. Maybe we should check it out. Okay, let's see what is going on.
Sixth punishment, I am gonna eat your Cadbury chocolate bar you were saving.
Oh no, classic Sonic Scratch Cat is giving Scratch Cat a punishment day. We have to save him. Okay, here is the plan. I will sneak in from the garage, and you two will sneak in through the front door. Then we will corner classic Sonic Scratch Cat and ground him. Understood?
We understand.
Let's do this.
Where on earth is that stupid speaker?
Shoot, classic Sonic Scratch Cat is coming. I have to hide.
All I want is that stupid speaker. Where the frick is it? Wait, there it is.
Phew, he didn't see me. Now let's get him.
Seventh punishment, blasting the Baby Shark song super loud. 1, 2, 3.
Classic Sonic Scratch Cat, stop this punishment day right now. And Scratch Cat, what happened to you?
Classic Sonic Scratch Cat threw a rock at me. And he changed my voice to a 60-year-old Chinese Mandarin man. Those were part of the punishment day Classic Sonic Scratch Cat gave me.
Evil Sonic Scratch Cat, that is parent abuse.
I agree with Pico.
I don't care. I can give a punishment day to whoever I want to. And all of you are getting the next punishment. I will make all your ears bleed. 1, 2, 3.
Ha, you really think you can play the music? I unplugged the speaker before we jump scared you.
Get him.
You are grounded for 100 sextillion years. Which means no TV, no video games, no internet, no food, no games, no fun, no life, no movies, and no happiness.
It also means no theme parks, no Dave and Buster's, no Great Wolf Lodges, and no leaving the house altogether.
Go to your room right now.
Right now.
Wow.